followers. Hello, my wonderful supporter out there. Hello, guys. I wish everyone happy Easter Sunday. For those of now and get opportunity to go to church, I hope una go to church. For those one in Nigeria, I hope una go to church. I hope una don't shop rice. I wish all my wonderful people out there happy Easter Sunday. Today topic now about this issue of Buhari coming to this place to take treatment. I see our mommies and daddy are there, our youths, they fight even for the Buhari to come out. My war. Buhari, Bubu Buhari, or Bubu Bahari, whatever, Buhari. People, now you they sick, you come this country, like you come this Europe, wherever, to take treatments. May I let you know, say where you they go now, somebody now still there, now make the country be as it be there, now make the country they good. Okay, Buhari, like for example, now you come to take treatment. Okay, wait, I'll you come here, come take treatment. Yes, Buhari come, they see light 247, light not off for where you dey. Everywhere is okay for you. You see the environment. Okay, when you go back, why not make your country to also, we have the money. No be say we not get the money, we get the money. Every time una they borrow money, una still they steal, they hide, they carry, they come abroad, come they hide. No problem. And they say now we are ma for the chop, now for the eat, we are ma for the work, now for the chop. We hear, but mona do it with respect. At least mona do something for that country, Nigeria. Mona try do something for that country, Nigeria. Waiting. Now somebody be the president of this country. Why not? Okay, you now you dey sick since when you enter that post. Even before you enter, we hear say you dey sick. Not be say as you dey there, the sickness start. No. As you can't dey there, you can't get the opportunity to come to be president. Why not use that opportunity? Build a good hospital. Because 100% you need hospital to take care of you. What about when these people can say no, not come our country again? If not be the money when they still they collect for your hand. You are sick, you run come here. You want shit, you not let you shit where you run come abroad. What about the masses? Una dey pity for the masses at all? The people when vote una, when make una dey that position, una dey pity for them? Jesus. My people, now even show say that Nigeria, our country go dey better at all, it go dey okay. If all these old men, quarter to go men, not leave our country for the youths. Now sure say the country go dey okay. If they want to shopping, they'll come abroad. Anything they want to, they'll come abroad. Even their children, not they study for the Nigeria. Their children, they study here. Okay, see the matter when they ground for Nigeria now. Corona, everything. I don't know whether Corona they Nigeria. No. Corona, Fulani men, everything. Buhari not say, okay, let me solve this problem. No. He no won't solve anything. Now for you to the run come abroad. I know say all your children, they abroad. They go the best school for abroad with our money. We get everything. They say we'll be the giant of Africa. How we can't be the giant of Africa? Nigeria is the giant of Africa. I could remember when I walk. If I meet anybody, where are you from? I'll say I'm from I'm from Nigeria. Oh, wow, Nigeria is a lovely place. They house everything. Why are you not in Nigeria? You constantly explain some matter, give them say, Nigeria is a very rich place. We are rich. Even the whole world know. If we dey seek asylum here, we dey come here, come do many things. Some people they like, wetin these people they find they go. But they no go fit understand. Say our leaders, they know they lead us well. They are just evil. They just they fight for their own life to dey okay. They not care about the masses if we are okay or not. It's very bad. Very, very bad. Say una no care about the masses is too bad. Masses wey put una for that post wey una dey today. If all of us say no, we no go vote. It's possible we no go vote. Nobody go put una for the post. At least we be human being. Wanna care about the people. Wanna promise heaven and earth when make them come vote una in. But at the end of the day, una go change everything for their hand. This is very bad. This is so bad. Nigeria are rich. Nigeria is the giant of Africa. Nigeria is this. Nigeria is that. Still, we not get good hospital for Nigeria. As big as Nigeria, we not get good hospital. People they die every day, no money, and still we have that money. Some people are just sitting on that money. They sit down on top that money. The poor masses, they die, they hungry. Come out to sow garri in a day now war. Buhari, please go back to Nigeria and repair your country. Go back to Nigeria and repair your country. Stinginess. They go sit on top money. They no want share the money to the world, to Nigeria. Make that money reach their hands small. We did this abroad today. Although we not be as in not be here they for born us. We just come. They help us. You see some mothers when you have a child, they pay your children. Even yourself when they under there, they pay you. Where that one for the happen for Nigeria? If they say every month, maybe they pay, okay, let's say they pay 20,000 for Nigeria to everyone in Nigeria. Our country go fit do 20,000. They go fit. We have the money. We can do it. But they no go agree because they are stingy. That money they don't want share for the people when get that money, for the masses. If, okay, let's say that 20,000, they feel they share around. They feel they share that 20,000 rand for the people when they Nigeria there. They pay them. You see, say the poverty, the level of poverty for Nigeria will limit. I know we can manage. We can do it. If you see graduates, somebody when finish primary school, secondary school, university, you go they work, you go they receive 50,000 per month, 30,000 per month. What a shame. What a big shame. Buhari, go back to Nigeria and repair your country. Okay, that is what I have to tell you today. Go back to Nigeria and repair your country. That country where you can't relax. So now somebody now build that. You dare ever hear and say the president of Italy, Prime Minister of Italy, or Prime Minister of Germany, or Prime Minister, whatever they call her, he don't ever go Nigeria, go receive treatment. Never. Where they won't go. Where the hospital, that dirty hospital. But you go they sick, you don't come here. You go one shit, you not let you shit well. You run come, you can't take treatment. What a shame. What a shame. Now thief money now carry come here, come save one. Be shame. to Nigeria. Be shame to the president, not Nigeria. To our leaders, be shame. To the one who know the truth, when fear they catch them to say the truth, be shame to you all. Go back to Nigeria and repair your country. If you go today, your name not go lost. Now when you rule, now when you rule the country better, it not go lost. So Buhari, go back to Nigeria and repair the country. God bless the mommy and daddies, our youth who are out there fighting for us. God bless you all. We all appreciate you. God bless you. Thank you one. Thank you everyone for watching my video. God bless you all. Drop your comment. Tell me what you think about this our man Bubu Buhari, when they always they come. If not good idea for rat to they come person country to come to the treatments. Please guys, drop your comments. Tell me what you think. God bless you all for my beautiful and lovely supporter out there. For the one who make this channel still remain, Sharon Kiki channel still there. God bless you all. I love you all. God will continue to bless you, continue to favor you, grant you your heart desire as you continue to support me. I love you all. I still remain your girl, Sharon Kiki. I love you all, my old and new subscriber. God bless you, my returning subscriber. God bless you. Kiss. I love you.